Feel the spark ignite in the rhythm of the night, burning deep inside where the shadows come alive. Every breath is flame, every touch the same, carried on the air, energy we share. Through the silence, light is calling. Through the darkness, sparks are falling. We are glowing, we are daring, infinite, alive and caring. Fire burning, hearts aligning, shining, caring, lightning rising. Fire burning, always daring, shining, caring, souls are sharing. Ocean in the sound, waves are lifting off the ground. Lightning in the veins, breaking through the chains. Every step we take echoes in the wake, glowing like a flame, never quite the same. Through the silence, light is calling. Through the shadows, sparks are falling. We are glowing, we are daring, infinite, alive and caring. Fire burning, hearts aligning, shining, caring, lightning rising. Fire burning, always daring, shining, caring, souls are sharing. Fire in the sky, lightning in our eyes, shining with the care we hold. Stories written bright and bold, burning through the fear. Energy is near, every spot we find carries us through time. Final burning, hearts aligning, shining, caring, lightning rising. Fire burning, always daring, infinite, alive.